Hello, friends. It's me, Shar, your favorite Color Street stylist from San Antonio, Texas. How you doing? I came on here today to share my January color play. Who's excited to open up this box with me? Before we begin, let me apply some lipstick for y'all. I don't want to be naked. Gotta bring some color. I'm applying Dramalicious today. Who says you can't wear pink in the winter? There is Dramalicious for you. A gorgeous pink for winter, in my opinion. It is a deeper shade of pink. We do have Knockout, which is a lighter shade of pink that I think is perfect for spring and summer. But Dramalicious is really a great shade of pink for fall and winter. What do y'all think? All right, so without further ado, let's open up January color play together. Are y'all excited? I know I am. All right, so let's be reminded of the theme. Remember, each color play, we do know the theme, but we don't know the sets that are going to be inside. So for January, our theme was rest and reset. Take a deep breath and indulge in comforting, tranquil colors and textures as we enter a new year. What shades of nail polish strips do you think we'll find in our January color play box? What bonus item are y'all hoping we will get for rest and reset? I am really hoping for a set that looks like the front of the box here. It just looks so comfy and cozy, and it also reminds me of crochet. And for some of you that might be in my Facebook VIP group, y'all know that I am a crocheter. So without further ado, let's open up our January color play and see what we got inside of this month's amazing box. I see some great stuff in there. Remember, our color play subscription boxes are only $30 plus tax. That is a great deal for everything that we get inside of these amazing boxes. Each box does come with our little pamphlet. This little pamphlet is going to show all of your nail strips and ways you can wear them. Such a great little tool to have to help you decide on your manicure. So without further ado, let's see what we got. So again, this month's theme was rest and reset. Take a deep breath and indulge in comforting, tranquil colors and textures as we enter a new year with ColorPlay's Rest and Reset collection. This box features 4 sparkling glitter picks. Amazing. Y'all know if you get a glitter on my website, it's $13. So the fact that we have 4 of those in here, 4 times 13, y'all do the math. That's way more than $30. Am I right? So we get a great deal in these subscription boxes. I love them. So we get 4 sparkling glitter picks, a versatile ombre, and a cute and cozy knit design. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design inspired by pure winter bliss. And again, it gives us these wonderful Nailfies on the back on how we could wear our sets. But remember, you can create your own look however you'd like. So before we take a look at the sets, let's check out our bonus items. It looks like we're getting 2 this month. That is awesome, y'all. Well, here is a picture of our bonus items right here. And it says bonus item. Cozy up in this ribbed knit headband with a silver metallic accent to keep you warm in style. Finish off the look with this moisturizing cuticle oil to help your hands stay hydrated all winter long. That is awesome. So like I said, I am a crocheter myself. So let me try this headband on. I do have a headband that I crocheted that I usually wear, but this one is really pretty. It's very thick, very cozy. I love the knit on it. It almost matches the front of the box, that white that we saw on the front. It almost matches that white ribbing. So that's neat. Our bonus item matches that. I wish it had like a little Color Street logo on it. That would be nice, but it's okay. And then let's try it on. Very cozy. Oh, I love this. The one I actually crocheted for myself, I wish I had it on me, but it's a light gray too. I love this one though. It's very, very soft, and it's a little bit thicker than the crochet one that I did for myself. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, I'm sure you've seen pictures of the gray ear warmer that I did myself. And then we got our cuticle oil. I love this stuff, y'all. Cuticle oil is seriously your best friend. I don't know if y'all know this, but it's very important to use cuticle oil. It definitely hydrates your cuticles, but when you apply it and when you're massaging, that massaging actually promotes nail growth, believe it or not. So use your cuticle oil, use it frequently. It helps protect and heal your dry cuticles, and then the rubbing also promotes nail growth. So love that we got that cuticle oil. I use that like every morning and every night. It's the best. All right, so let's hop on, or let's jump in, and or let's cozy up together and meet our strips. Let's see. First we have Feels Fresh, and Feels Fresh looks like it's a dual-ended strip. Remember, our dual-ended strips we can wear like a French mani style or regular. And Fresh Feels, here it is. Gorgeous, gorgeous glitter. Beautiful. I love that. My nails are naked right now for this box because I got a sneak peek of a mani, or I got a Nailfies sneak peek, and I knew I was going to want to apply the nail set as soon as my box arrived. So my nails are naked just for this box. But here's Fresh Feels, a gorgeous gorgeous French tip, or remember it's dual-ended so you can wear it on your whole nail. It says, have the best of both worlds with this sage shade layered with gold glitter design for the versatility of French tips or a full manicure. I can't talk today. But very, very beautiful pale green glittery set. I love it. Drop some green hearts if y'all like this set. All right, next we have Crystal Calm. I love that name for this box. Rest and Reset with Crystal Calm. Crystal Calm looks like it's going to be a glitter overlay. I love me some glitter overlays, y'all. You could definitely wear these alone, but I personally like to use them for when I do French manicures, and then the glitter overlay over the French manicure. Remember, you do have to seal that strip in with either, you have to seal in a French tip with either like a clear as day set, or a glitter overlay, or like our plumping top coat, so that nail strip doesn't lift from the nail. But so anyways, Crystal Calm, layer over a solid color or wear it as a standalone statement. Crystal Calm is a high gloss clear polish featuring glimpses of silver glitter. I love that. Love it. Perfect to create those French manicure looks. Beautiful glitter too. Try to get that in the camera for y'all. See that? So beautiful. Drop some little glitter emojis if you like Crystal Calm. I love it. Next up, we are featuring Simple Solace. Simple Solace. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous, gorgeous gray. This is the one that I saw on a sneak peek. And I thought it was a French manicure, but it's not. But I can always get a penny and trace the penny to make my own French tip. If y'all have seen, I do have other videos where I create my own French tip. So y'all could definitely check those out. If you are loving Simple Solace, drop me a gray heart. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous glitter shade. It says, kick back and relax in this charcoal gray featuring gold and silver glitter as your versatile go-to. I love that. Beautiful. Drop some gray hearts if y'all like Simple Solace. Okay, next up, let's meet Cozy Comfort. This one is like the exact image of what we had on the front of the box. I love it. Very, very cute. I would probably wear this as an accent nail with Simple Solace. I'm not sure how I feel about wearing this as on all of my nails, but this is definitely a really cute winter accent nail, especially with that gray. Very, very pretty. I love that. So Cozy Comfort, introduce a fun texture design into your manicure with this chunky rib knit print with a shimmering gold flash. Oh yes, there is some gold. I didn't see that at first. Very pretty. Can y'all kind of see that subtle gold flash? That's cute. Again, I'm not sure if I could picture this on all of my nails, but it really would make a really pretty winter accent nail with the gray or even a blue. Like if you have like a blue, it would match. It would go nice with the blue too. Next is Peace of Mind. We have a lot of strips in this box. I love it. They spoiled us for January. Peace of Mind. This is a 4-finger accent strip. Very beautiful glitter. Love that peach. Peace of Mind. Add a fun pop of pink to your manicure with this gorgeous multicolored glitter accent nail. That is beautiful. Very pretty. I love it. Drop me some orange hearts if you like Peace of Mind. And then our last strip is called Warm Embrace. I recently saw a Nailfie of this one and they applied a matte top coat and whew, let me tell y'all, gorgeous, gorgeous manicure right here. They actually used this as an accent nail. They wore it right here. And then they wore Warm Embrace on all their other fingers. And then they put the matte top coat on top. And wow, wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous manicure right here. This is just really fresh and beautiful, right? I love it. So Warm Embrace. Knock the chill off your manicure with Warm Embrace, a coral to peach ombre jelly. And it's just, they really did get this ombre really perfect. I love that. Drop me some pink hearts if you are loving Warm Embrace. Would you wear it with the matte top coat? I think I would. This is a really beautiful mix right here. Perfect to go from January to February and welcome in those pink hues for February. Do y'all wear like pink and red nails in February? I do sometimes. This is a really pretty set. Just feels really fresh to me, right? All right, so that was our January Rest and Reset box. Y'all might have wondered, how does Warm Embrace go with the box? Well, this month, well, January, when you went onto my site to sign up for January, it had the box with like a peach color in the background. So they pulled that background color into one of the nail sets. So that's another little clue we can look at in future months to kind of figure out what nail strips might be inside. But perfect box. I love it. So, so pretty. Wonderful nails you can wear. I love that ombre. I definitely think that warm embrace ombre was my favorite. Back here, I'm going to try to show these to y'all on camera. They took that sage green French and they applied it as a French to 2 nails, and then just as a their accent nail has it on the full nail. So see, they have French, 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 and then their accent is the full nail. So pretty. This one, probably my favorite. I love that glitter with it. So pretty. And then this is what I was talking about. I think I would pair, because that cozy knit one, I don't think I could see on all my nails, but wearing it like this is very pretty. So lots of great ideas on how to wear this box. Have fun. If you missed out, I'm sorry. I mean, look at this. $30 plus tax. So I pay about $32 and some change here in Texas. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full sets, plus an accent nail set, and then my cuticle oil. This is $12 on my site, by the way. And then a cute cozy headband. All of this for just 32 bucks. So if you are not subscribed for ColorPlay yet, click the link below and get subscribed, because it's my understanding that these boxes are just going to get better and better. And let's go ahead and meet February's subscription box while we're at it. So you can click the link and subscribe for February. Now you do have until January 31st to make up your mind to subscribe, but just subscribe today and don't worry about it. You won't be charged until the 2nd of the month, and then boxes start to ship out on the 6th of the month. So here is February's ColorPlay theme, Gilded Age. Evoke the classic charm of the Gilded Age with eye-catching metallics and chic nail designs that take your manicure to the next level. Sounds fancy for February, right? What nail shades do you think we'll see? Do you think we'll get kind of like a coppery color? Or maybe that green? What do y'all think? What might our bonus item be? Maybe a pretty gold bracelet? What do y'all think? Drop me some ideas below. What do y'all think we're going to see in February? So there's Gilded Age February subscription box. I do subscription Saturday or sub box Saturday in my VIP group on Facebook. If y'all want to check that out. We have fun almost every Saturday evening. If I miss a Saturday, I will share it on Sundays. And it's just fun because I throw different ideas every Saturday or Sunday evening on what the next month's box would be. And so if y'all want to join that, the link is below for y'all. And you can check out every Saturday and Sunday, every Saturday or Sunday evening in my VIP group. You can see hints about the following month's box. And I do have a sneak peek for Gilded Age. I have a sneak peek Nailfie. So if y'all would like to see that Nailfie, drop a Nailfie emoji down below. But there you have it. ColorPlay 2025 is already starting off with a bang. I am so happy I didn't miss out. I'm sorry if you did, but you don't have to. Go ahead, sign up for February. And remember, my VIPs do get my happiness guarantee. Until next time, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you all real soon. Bye for now.